I've worn glasses for a very long time and have had regular eye tests for a very long time, but my optometrist began to notice I was developing cataracts. This became a problem with night driving because oncoming headlights were really glaring a lot or breaking up, pixelating. The optometrist recommended cataract surgery. I asked around and the name Professor Luff, Sapphire Eye Care came up all the time. He was most reassuring at his consultation, offered me choices of what lens I could choose. I went back after 2 weeks having decided to have a similar lens to the one I was wearing in my spectacles, which is a varifocal, but he also offered me the chance to have them done, both eyes done at the same time, which I took. The whole team were very kind, very thorough. I felt very safe in their hands. There was an anaesthetist present in theatre who did administer some sedation, but not enough to knock me out. I was fully aware of Professor Luff telling me exactly what he was doing. When he'd finished one eye, the whole team left the table, re-scrubbed, re-draped, so it was treated as a separate operation. I went down to theatre at 10:30 in the morning. At 11 o'clock I was back in my room. Both eyes were covered with an eye shield, so I felt very much like an insect. But I was eating my sandwich and having a cup of coffee. I was home by 2 and I was watching television at 6 o'clock in the evening. There is a post-operative drop regime, which is complicated, but the Sapphire team give you a spreadsheet of which drops to take when. They give you enough so you have a separate drop for each eye, you don't mix them. You tick off when you put your drops in, it makes it so much easier. I had regular contact with them. At no point did I ever feel abandoned. There was always a phone number that I could phone day or night, weekends, weekdays, when if I had a worry, an anxiety, a problem, there would be somebody there to help with me and deal with it. I had a 6-week follow-up. Preceding that 6-week follow-up, I went back to the optometrist as arranged with Sapphire Care. He did all the detailed eye examination and confirmed that I have fantastic vision. I no longer need to wear glasses, even for reading, for distance or anything. And having worn them since I was 14, it is liberating. And I can buy a pair of sunglasses off the shelf. I would recommend it thoroughly for anybody needing cataract surgery, and I would always recommend Professor Luff. He has such a good reputation amongst his colleagues and peer group. He's a very, very good surgeon with a very good team supporting him.